Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to add signature in Gmail. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. To add a signature, first of all click on settings, see all settings, and in this general section scroll down, and here you will find this signature option. And to create a new signature, click on create new, and here we have to put our signature name. So here we can see I have created a signature. Now we need to make the signature. So I'm going to make this signature, and I'm going to add the details. And I'm going to make this text bold, and so after that you can insert a link from here. I'm going to insert the image for my signature, upload, to make the image smaller, select the image and click on small. So here you can see I have created a signature. I'm going to change the font color. So that's it. After making the signature, scroll down and click on save changes. So I have successfully added a signature. Now let's see how to use the signature. Click on compose and click on this signature, and here we can see the signature which one I just created. So I'm going to select this one, and here we can see the signature has been added. So this was how we can add signature in Gmail. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.